Windows 11 security update for August fixed over 400 security vulnerabilities, but it also brought some system crashes, driver issues, and login errors with it. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. There's been a surge in reports from gamers that certain titles crash unexpectedly after installing update name KB51210003, while specially mentioning Arc Raiders and the Finals by Swedish studio Embark Games. It doesn't seem to be caused by an issue with the game update or game drivers, but rather KB51210003 may have compromised compatibility with a specific driver called inputx64.sys. This incompatibility causes the PC to crash in the middle of a game or even multiple times. There are some other issues as well, like drops in refresh rates, black screens, faulty HDR behavior, and other graphics-related problems. Plus, there are signing in issues with Windows Hello via PIN too. In these cases, the stored sign-in key is deleted or corrupted upon restart, meaning affected users have to register a new PIN every time they sign in. Microsoft hasn't yet publicly acknowledged the issues, but for affected gamers, Embark intends to work on a long-term solution. Embark says it's possible to prevent further crashes by opening the Windows command prompt and entering scstop inputx64. Then enter the command scdelete inputx64 and press enter. Then close the window, go to File Explorer and navigate to C/Windows/System32/drivers, where you can delete file inputx64.sys. In some cases, it may be enough to carry out just the first part to temporarily disable inputx64.sys rather than deleting it altogether. Or you can try uninstalling KB51210003, although this means you'll no longer benefit from the numerous security patches it provides. This step is only recommended if your PC is severely affected by issues, because deleting it can compromise your system's security. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.